Good morning, guys. How we doing? All right, we gotta go over ADA because it's just a fun coin to talk about. And guys, money is pumping back into the market. I was just talking to the team about this. Can we start with something that I normally don't start with? Some news. MicroStrategy has purchased an additional 4,167 Bitcoins for $190 million, guys, at an average price of 45,714. Let's take a look at where 45,714 is. It's right during this consolidation period, right on the support. It literally, see that white line there? 45,714, like pretty much exactly where we're at. They bought the support bounce. So could we be seeing crypto go up here? Well, if Michael Saylor's buying $190 million worth of Bitcoin at this height over here, guys, look at this. This is where he bought it, up here. He didn't wait for it to go back down. Something I've been talking to you guys about is like, there may be a reason why he bought now and he didn't wait for the move back down. All right, how does that correlate to ADA? Well, I think for Cardano here, we're probably going to see this end up being a consolidation structure with a move up to probably next resistance, which is about up here. So we're going to go over that in today's video. So guys, let's dive on into the charts. Super fun. By the way, before we start, guys, we won our 121st win and we still have 0 losses. We've never lost a trade. So guys, if you hear my voice, come trade with us. This is going to be like awesome for you. I think you're going to have a blast. Honestly, I don't know how else to say it, but I'm like, guys, we've never lost a trade. Every single person who's ever joined our membership has never lost a single crypto trade, and we have one of the healthiest accounts. I don't have as much as Michael Saylor, but I'm trading with $150,000 of my own money. I'm up $8,172 right now, while a lot of people are still down 35 to 40%. Here is our membership very fast. There you guys go. It's just $95 a month. You're going to get access to all the metrics. You guys are going to get access to the Telegram channel where I give you guys entries and exits for every single trade. Super easy laid out, links to everything. And I made it dummy proof because I can't stand complicated things. All the masterclasses are yours. The community chat's yours. And we're going to go live in Telegram. In literally 9 days, I'm going to do a Telegram. My apologies. I'll send it in Telegram actually to give you guys a link over to the Zoom call. We're going to do an inner circle hangout where I get on, I teach you guys some things as well as we're going to go over the crypto market. So that is coming up in 9 days. So if you guys get your membership today, you guys will be able to take advantage of all that. Let's go over Cardano. Let's dive in. Ready, guys? Okay. We are above the 50, the 100, and 200 moving average, as well as the MACD is bullish, but we are bearish on the RSI. Oh, just kidding. Making me lie over here. We are now bullish on the RSI, which will probably flip back and forth during this video. So as far as retail traders go, they're looking at this saying, you know what, we're overall looking like we're probably going to keep moving back up here. And I would agree. You know, MicroStrategy over here coming out and buying $190 million worth of Bitcoin, I think they think the price is probably going to go up here a little bit further. Let's move down here. Pressure swell money flow, trend exhaustion. When we've been pushed up into this section up here, we've just been consolidating, but still, if you guys are watching this, still when the trend exhaustion gets high and money flow is fairly high here, guys, we're still seeing moves down. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but if we get in here and we actually look at the price structure of what's happening, this is actually still calling this really, really well. Trend exhaustion high, money flow at least moving up. We're looking for drops back down. Trend exhaustion high, money flow high. You guys are looking for drops back down. We can see this over here. Let's call this drop over here as well. And it's like, well, that's not a big drop. You're right. You guys, it's not like the most massive drops in the market, but if you guys are looking to short this with our scalping strategy, you only need 3 to 4%. So even if you guys are in here and you guys were actually able to come out here and take this, closer to the top, you guys were able to secure your 3 to 4%. Like, great job. This is the best scalping strategy you can ever use. And it literally was adopted after we basically proved to ourselves that we may actually never have to ever lose a crypto trade again. Seriously, I know this is a bold statement, but those of you guys who follow this channel, you may never see a red trade ever again on your entire trading history. Ever. Ever. Guys, I have never seen a losing trade, and we've been trading since last March. Okay? This is March of 2021. Where's March? May, June... March, April. It's April, March. Oh my gosh, are you serious? Back over here. So this channel came out here and we started trading around March, April, right around this right over here, okay, of last year, because we had our first year anniversary March just last month. And so from April, March of 2021, guys, we've been trading this entire thing. This entire market we've been trading, and we haven't lost a single trade. I know about downtrends. I know about uptrends. I know about bear markets, bull markets. Guys, it's so much fun. So imagine like, hey, you may never have to lose a trade ever again. It's pretty awesome. Now, with that scalping strategy, let me explain it really quick, and then we're diving into the metrics here. You guys just need these two indicators here. The bundle pack's best because it's 82% off. But what you guys are doing is when you guys see the trend exhaustion low like this, as well as when well money flow is low, you guys are looking to just go 3 to 4% in the market. You want to trade even safer. Watch that masterclass. Let me show it to you guys real quick because I know you guys are going to ask me about this. Go to masterclasses, scroll all the way down to masterclass 7. Watch the other ones because they're really good. And this will teach you guys how to use our scalping strategy. So some of our guys are doing like kind of ridiculous. The dude made $43,000 with our indicators, price to swell money flow and trading exhaustion. This guy over here did $6,310 in the last 13 days with our indicators and our strategy on ADA. Today we're talking about this, ADA, Cardano, and Solana. $6,310 in the last 13 days. Oh, it's so sweet. $3,500 this week using the indicators. Okay, I'm showing this to you guys. I'm giving backing and proof of why you guys need this stuff. These tools are going to help you trade so much better. And it's just awesome to be over here with a family that we really just care for each other. So you can see that from the chat. We all love helping each other out. Okay, the emotional index got back into neutral, and then we started pushing up into the excited area. Okay, this is what we need to be watching for right now. I'm in this trade with you guys. You can see this right here. It's my number 2 highest holding. It is Cardano outside of obviously the US dollar. So EOS and Cardano. Okay. I'm watching for a possible breakdown right here. But if we get to this level here of right about 124 psychological quarters theory level of 125, okay, we need to watch for short traps. That's what we need to watch for. I'm just thinking a little bit how I want to articulate this. This structure here and this structure there and this structure here is going to act as a place of resistance for entries for short trades because people are going to look to trade the resistance, okay? When people do that, they're going to expect the price to move back down. But if it does not do that and it moves up, stop losses are going to get hit on short trades. And I really do believe the next target we're going to hit here for Cardano is 150. That is the next what's called the quarters theory level of 150. It's going to be a nice little pump, and it's going to probably put us very close to back to break even. And we'll probably end up profiting about $2,000 or $3,000 just off this single move here in the account. It's going to be pretty ridiculous. All right. Long versus short trades. We're seeing short trades basically stay the same, if not move out just a little bit here. Long trades have actually just ticked up just a smidgen over the last 24 hours. Let me get in here and show this to you guys. Sorry, guys, my allergies have been so bad lately. Thank you, guys. I mentioned that I had allergies in the video yesterday, and we got like emails flooding in of people telling me, how to help with allergies. Thank you guys so much. Like that's the kinds of people we're like talking about over here. You guys are just super awesome and helping each other out. And if you guys if you experience the chat over here, you'll see so many people helping you. Like the people are amazing. I'm going to brag. I think we have the best community online. Just got to say that. All right. So this is showing us that long trades are increasing just a tad bit. I think this may be a precursor to a continuation move up here. Let me show you this. This honestly is a bigger precursor for a move up in my opinion. Look at the market cap of ADA. Now this is not the ADA market cap. The ADA, I'm going to call it ADA, guys. It's just simple for me, if that's okay. The Cardano market cap. This is the market cap relative to the entire market. It's far more accurate in my opinion. Because this shows us that if this moves up here, this means money has to come out of other altcoins in order for ADA to go up. Because this is a percentage of how much market cap is Cardano taking up relative to all other altcoins. Okay? So when you look at it in that perspective, this means that other altcoins are literally being sold and money is being put into ADA. There's no other way to assess that. This is a bullish sign, guys, and this is happening during this formation of the consolidation period that you can see clearly right here. Market cap is moving up. This is why I'm expecting this to actually break to the upside here, probably this week and maybe target 150 by next week. I think it's far too aggressive for someone to come out here and say we're going to hit 150 this week. I do not believe that whatsoever, but I believe the next week, probably about, let's see, we're in the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, probably about 14th or 15th, I could see us hitting 150. Trades in favor. Sitting in the neutral section here, I'll show you guys how to set up a trade here because if you guys want to get into this, this is a very good time to set up a trade, and I'll show you in this video how to do that because it's literally the same strategy we're using to never lose a trade. I'll show it to you guys in 1 second. Smart money over here, guys. They came out. Look at this. I've been looking at this. I'm like, man, what are these guys doing? It is in decision alley right now. we see Wells Institutional Smart Money going long, short, long, short. And look, you need to understand, they're not very confident. The aggressiveness, the purchase of aggressiveness is in orange. Like when these guys are looking for shorts, they're going to purchase it very strongly. And this is why, yes, we did see a drop down when it got really strong there. Yes, they did end up dropping it. Over here, we saw it come out. They dropped the market there. We saw this. They dropped the market here. They dropped the market there. They dropped it here. Like, guys, these guys are going to drop the market. They usually get what they want, okay? They're Wells, they're institutions, and smart money, okay? They trade against retail traders, by the way. I taught people how to do this, and then I coded this metric. I literally taught hedge funds how to do this, and I'm like, oh my gosh, we found metrics and data that actually prove the point. I'm like, oh my gosh, we got to get this on the website. This is going to be sweet. So right now, it's a kind of a tug of war, back and forth. What are you going to do? Best time, guys. Mark these words. Best time to set up a long trade, and I'll prove it to you guys why in this video. You guys can join us on this, and you'll make far more money than I'll make because my break even is still back over here. So if you guys exit with us, you'll be doing 23% more profit on whenever I exit. So here we go. As far as the resistance, we're up here looking at 124, 125. So I've been telling you guys about that. We need to watch that, and then 150. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys took this entry down here, congratulations. You guys are doing so ridiculously well. That was this move right over here. So if you guys look to exit this, where I'm going to look to exit, which is going to be around this structure high of actually, honestly, for my exit here, it's going to be 175 quarters theory level. So you guys are going to do about 120% in your account. Let me dive straight into the trade setup and show you guys how to get in here because I want to transition us right into that right now. Here is how we are trading this strategy, and we have never ever lost a trade. Not a single member who's ever joined us. I know this membership should be like $400 to $500 a month. And someday it actually may be because we can easily do another price jump in the membership. But for now, we're keeping it at $95 a month, okay? If we ever do that again, guys, we will grandfather everybody in, promise you, just like we did before. Okay, watch this. What you guys are going to do, let's pretend you're looking at Cardano. The buy limits are something like this morning, something like that, okay? You're going to choose the amount you want to enter each of our trades with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions. This is how we have the healthiest account online that we can find. It is because we use very good risk management and we spread our buy limits out. Okay? I don't want this to sound arrogant or cocky. Like, I feel God has blessed us with a lot of wisdom. I ask for wisdom and discernment every single day, guys. I would say probably almost every day. I'm sure I've forgotten a couple of days there. But I really think we got something special. Once you choose the amount you want to enter in with, split it into 4 equal portions and place that portion 250 at each of the buy limits. So you can do this on ADA right now this morning. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green. So the sell limit is probably going to be very close to this level up here that I've got it on the charts. Once that first buy limit is hit, you guys set that up. What you guys can do, which is really spectacular, especially for this trade here, is you can follow me in the Telegram channel, guys, and I am going to be watching this like a hawk because I have like over 20 grand, I think, in ADA right now. I've got $30,000 in ADA right now. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, is I'm going to be watching when this structure comes back up here and gets close to 175. I will be looking to take an exit. So everybody who joins me right now on this trade, with the buy limits that you guys are entering into, you guys will be experiencing about a 47, possibly close to a 50% exit and profit on that trade. And you just need to set it up with the buy limits. You'll have way better risk management than even I have because we got in here back over at November 9th. So extremely good risk management, as well as you guys will be able to do about maybe close to 47, 48, 50% profit on that trade just by following me in Telegram. This cannot get easier, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult your financial advisor before entering into this trade. I must say all that and make it clear. It's on the website, the YouTube videos, everywhere. I'm not a financial advisor. This is honestly what we've done, and we've seen people literally change their lives over here by making a ridiculous amount. $6,310 trading with the indicators in our strategy in the last 13 days on Cardano and Solana is absolutely living like it's a wage that you can live off of. There's no doubt about that. That's pretty crazy. This guy's easily set for the next month. The guy down here who did $43,000, like there's people who don't even do that an entire year. He did it in 2 months. Like literally people are trading for a living over here, and it's pretty awesome. So last but not least, guys, the indicators, you need these for the scalping strategy as well as when we exit the... Do you guys see something here? Let me point this out. Do you guys see that we have a double top here and we have divergence? So watch this. The only reason why I'm not calling a huge crash here is because we have this moving up as well during the same time frame, creating what's called a symmetrical triangle pattern. So symmetrical triangle pattern with price action consolidation can go either way. That is why it literally is the best time right now to set up a trade entry because you'll get risk management if it goes down, but you'll also get money in the market if it goes up. Okay. The indicators that I told you guys you need are these three right here: price response, money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. These are the ones I use in my charts every single day. They're 40% off if you use coupon code SAVE MONEY. You guys are going to get 82% off all of our indicators today. It's called the bundle pack. This is the highest selling. I'm very humbled by this, but guys, we have the highest rated and the highest selling product on all of Gumroad.com. All of Gumroad.com for the categories of trading, for education, Bitcoin, and indicators. We're super blessed by that. I feel like, super grateful. You guys, it's because you're making a ridiculous amount of money, and we made it so stinking cheap for you guys. You make a good product, you make it cheap, people buy it. That's just what happens in the world. So what we ended up doing is our bundle pack, we gave you guys all 9 of our indicators, and basically it's the same price for the 3 anyway. So it's just like a screaming good deal. It's very close to our Black Friday sale we had last year. It's not, it's close to that. Okay. So make sure you guys are snagging this bundle pack, because obviously Black Friday is a really long time away, and you'll do probably, some of you guys will do tens of thousands of dollars before then, maybe hundreds. But make sure you guys snag those and set them up. You guys get them for life. You also get the source codes to every single one of the indicators. So if I die, Jesus takes me to heaven, guys, and I'm gonzo, you guys still get the indicators because you get the source codes. Businesses are not giving you guys source codes to their indicators because they're trying to give you access through TradingView. I'm not trying to bash it whatsoever. I actually ran a business that did that in the past. But I'm like, look, if I'm going to stand behind these products and we literally have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and we have the healthiest account, and I'm making these claims, I want you guys to purchase products from us where you get them for life. So if I go away, TradingView is not like, hey, we have to revoke your access because I've passed away or something. I know it sounds like maybe morbid or whatever, but literally, I'm just trying to be honest with you guys. When you purchase something, the indicators from us, you literally get the source code, so you have them for life. You can use them forever, even if whatever happens. So I want to do that to honor you guys because you're paying money for it. And honestly, it's not even that much money. It's actually a really good discount. Literally over $2,000 worth of indicators for 82% off. So do the math on that. Absolutely want to snag that today. Okay, guys, I know I'm talking a lot about that, but this is how people are making money. So guys, have an amazing day. Get into the chat if you guys would like with the community. People are just absolutely awesome over here, what people are talking about. And you guys doing screenshots to each other, talking about the market. This is the best community online, period. I love you guys so much. So join our membership, guys. Get the indicators in the description, 82% off, and definitely be watching Cardano here. Is I do think even with this, Michael Saylor buying $190 million worth of Bitcoin, I think that's going to actually start pushing Cardano back up here a little bit. If not, it's probably just going to be a temporary drop, guys, probably back down to structure support here that I could see maybe, $1 is as low as I see ADA going again, and then we're going to probably push back up. So overall, a bullish week is what I'm looking at, and I'll keep you guys updated in the Telegram channel as well as in the videos. All right, guys, all the links you need are in the description. I love you guys so much. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com if you guys have any questions. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye.